Hello children. Today in this video we are going to discuss about a special constellation Ursa Major. Children, do you know what is a constellation? A group of stars that forms a pattern and has a name is called a constellation. In ancient Indian astronomy, the constellation Ursa Major was also called as Saptarishi Mandal, with 7 stars representing the 7 rishis. These Saptarishis played a very important role in accumulating and dispersing all the knowledge that we have today. So, they have been equated to the 7 stars of the constellation Ursa Major. If you look at this picture carefully, you will see the figure looks like a question mark. We can see 7 dots in this figure. These 7 dots are the 7 stars known as the Saptarishi Mandal. These stars represent the 7 sages in the Hindu mythology. As this looks similar to a question mark, let's begin from the bottom part of this question mark. The first dot or the star represents sage Marichi. The next dot is Rishi Vashishta. The small dot to the left of Rishi Vashishta is Arundhati. After Rishi Vashishta comes Rishi Angirasa. And then we have Rishi Atri. Moving towards the right, the dot that we see is Rishi Pulastya. And thereafter is Rishi Pulaha. And lastly comes Rishi Krutu. If we cover 5 times the distance from Rishi Pulaha to Rishi Krutu, we arrive at the pole star or the North Star, also known as the Dhruva Tara in Hindi. This star never changes its position and is always spotted in the north. This Dhruva Tara represents the childhood stage. On the other side, Rishi Agastya represents the old age. And both these stars always stay constant in their position. Our galaxy, that is the Milky Way, is found between these 2 stars, which keeps constantly spinning or rotating. And this is the reason for our planet Earth to spin on its own axis. This constellation Ursa Major is the 3rd largest out of the 88 constellations that are found in the sky. From the various time periods which the Earth has witnessed, let us divide it into 4 basic time periods. During the spring season or the Vasanta Rutu, this Ursa Major appears like a question mark sleeping on its back. If we move a little ahead to the winter season, that is the Shishir Rutu, this constellation, Saptarishi, looks like a straight question mark. During the autumn, that is the Sharad Rutu, when the trees shed their leaves, the Saptarishi Mandal appears to be like this. And then, during the summer, that is the Grishma Ritu, the Saptarishi Mandal appears to be in the Shirsashana position. Whatever may be the case, when we try to connect these question marks, we get to see a special figure known as the swastika, which is considered to be very auspicious by the Indians. Swasthya means arogya or healthy, and the word swastika comes from the Sanskrit word swastik, meaning conducive to well-being. So children, I hope this video has helped you to understand the Saptarishi Mandal in a clear and a better manner. With this, we come to the end of the presentation. That's all for now. Thank you.